Hey, guys, today, let's turn out to block unknown WhatsApp messages. So if you guys keep on receiving these unknown WhatsApp messages from unknown people, which most likely seems like a scam, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to block those, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp location, and I want you to go ahead and proceed to your preferred chat, or to the chat that is unknown to you. In this case, I do have a few chats over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock this person right here. And in the case that this is unknown to you, and they are not from your contacts, of course, you do have this option, or this prompt over onto the bottom that it notifies you that the sender is not in your contacts. If you want to go ahead and add them, or block them as well, in this case, want to go ahead and block them. So just tap on block to do so. Tap on block, or you could also choose to report, so that the last 5 messages will be forwarded to the WhatsApp and your chat. This contact will be deleted from this device only, so you can also choose to report it, or just block it itself. And I'm gonna go and just choose to block this person. And as you see, it's that easy to now block that person. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.